Take full control of your Google Sheets and effortlessly filter the products you want to see using FlexStock. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and then select Add New. In the search bar, type FlexStock, and once it appears, go ahead and install and activate the plugin. To access the feature for showing products in separate rows, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version. Once upgraded, navigate to the FlexStock settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Filter Products to Sync with Google Sheets. Enable this option to unlock powerful new filtering features. By applying the filters, you can choose what sync product you want display or you want to see in Google Sheets. For example, if you only want to see herb seeds and exclude everything else, simply set up a filter like this. Choose Category in the field name, select Equal to in the operator, and then type herb seeds as the value. After setting it up, click Save and perform a sync. You'll instantly see only herb seed products appear in your Google Sheets. Need more than one filter? You can easily add additional filters from the same settings page. Just click on Add New Filter, set your preferred conditions, and FlexStock will sync your data according to all the filters you've applied. This way, you have full control to see exact product data in Google Sheets, clean, filtered, and in real time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing your WooCommerce store with powerful tools like FlexStock.